Good morning, children. Have a nice day. Let us begin the next topic of chapter 8 Major Seasons in India. There are four major seasons in India: winter, summer, monsoon, and retreating monsoon. Winter, now we are experiencing winter, and after some days, just at the beginning of March, we will start experiencing the summer season. And when the summer season will now we will get relief from the summer season when the monsoon season comes. And children, now you are listening that some of the places are getting rainfall or the snowfall. It is just because of the retreating monsoon and the western disturbance. So let us begin with the winter season, which now we are experiencing. Winter in India starts from early December and continues till the end of February. January is the coldest month. So the duration of winter season is from December up to February, and January is the coolest month. The average temperature in peninsular India during winter is around 25 degrees Celsius. Means they do not have winter like us. While in the northern plain, it is between 10 degrees Celsius and 15 degrees Celsius. So here we feel the cold season. During this season, because of low temperature, a high pressure area develops over northern plain. Light of shore wind blow out from the high pressure areas. Since these winds blow from land, they are dry. Thus the skies are clear, sun is bright, and humidity is low. So children, because of the cold season, the northern plain is experiencing high pressure. Because of low temperature, high pressure belt is created over the land, whereas on the sea, low pressure belt is created. And the wind is always blowing from the high pressure towards the low pressure. So, from the land towards the sea, the wind is blowing. That is why the wind is completely dry. They do not have any or very less moisture. And now the sky is, during this cold season, the sky is completely free from cloud. Now no cloud is seen. The sky is clear and the sun is bright. In northern India, however, there is light rainfall during winter. This is caused by cyclonic storm which originate in Mediterranean Sea and travel towards India. These winds are called western disturbances. They cause heavy snowfall in higher reaches of Himalayas and sometimes result in a cold wave in northern India. Punjab and Haryana receive rainfall from western disturbances, which helps in cultivation of wheat in this region. So children, during this January-February, the western disturbance, it is a cyclone which is generating over the Mediterranean Sea. Mediterranean Sea, children, it is in the just between Africa and Europe. And the cyclone which is are occurring there, its effect is seen in the western part of our country. And during this, because of this western disturbance, the western part of our country receives some amount of rainfall, which is very beneficial for the crop of wheat. And the Kashmir region, it gets snowfall because the Kashmir is situated on high altitude. So rainfall changes into snowfall. And in the northern India, we feel the cold wave. The Coromandel coast in Tamil Nadu also gets rain in winter brought by the northeast monsoon winds. These are prevailing northeast trade winds which pick up moisture while blowing over the Bay of Bengal. When they strike against coastal Tamil Nadu, they shed their moisture causing heavy rainfall. This rain is very important for growing rice in this region. So, the wind which is blowing from the land towards the sea, when they come over Bay of Bengal, they suddenly change their direction and they start blowing towards the eastern coast of our country. And this Tamil Nadu coast receives very heavy rainfall by the northeast trade winds or by the retreating monsoon. And this heavy rainfall is very much beneficial for the cultivation of rice. Now summer season. Summer starts from March and continues till May. And in some places, even till June, the northern plains records the highest temperatures, the average being 35 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. Hence, it is a zone of low pressure. The Deccan Plateau is comparatively cooler due to its altitude and influence of sea. Winds blow onshore during this season. So children, the summer season, the temperature is very high, and on the northern plain, the temperature reaches more than 40 degrees Celsius, and because of high temperature, a low pressure belt is created over here. And comparatively high pressure belt is created on the water bodies. So now the wind is blowing from the sea towards the land, just opposite of the cold season. And they are bringing now moisture. During the summer season, several local storms occur in different parts of India. Hot, dry and dusty wind called Lu blow over northern plain. So children, in every summer we are experiencing Lu. But this Lu is a local wind. It is blowing during some time of the summer season and within some place. Whole India is not getting this hot, dry, dusty wind which is called as Lu. In South India, they never experience. In Kashmir, they never experience Lu. But Bihar, Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, these all states experience Lu. Northern plains, Kalbaisakhi occurs in West Bengal and Assam. These are thunderstorms accompanied by heavy rainfall. So Kalbaisakhi, again, it is another name for the local wind which is blowing only in two states, West Bengal and Assam. And these are the thunderstorms which accompanied by heavy rainfall. Mango showers occur along the coastal Kerala and Karnataka. This is coastal Karnataka and this is coastal Kerala. And the name is given mango shower because they help in the early ripening of mangoes. Monsoon season. This season starts from June and continues till the end of September. So the next season followed by summer is monsoon season. By the end of May, the northern and northwestern parts of India become extremely hot. As a result, the low pressure zone over this region becomes very strong. High pressure areas exist over the sea, which are relatively cool. Just now I have shown in the map. The southeast trade winds of southern hemisphere are attracted towards this low pressure zone. They cross equator and are deflected right towards the northern peninsula and Myanmar. So the wind which is coming from the southern hemisphere, their direction is southeast, but this is equator, and when they cross equator, due to one of the effect of rotation is the Coriolis force, and because of the Coriolis force, water and wind, they get deflected when they cross the equator. So here the monsoon wind, they are crossing equator, so the direction which is from south towards east will change into towards west. Blowing over, and they enter India and Myanmar. Blowing over the Indian Ocean, they become moisture laden. Since these winds enter India from the southwest, they are called southwest monsoon. So, in this Indian Ocean, the third largest ocean of the world, when these winds are blowing over the Indian Ocean, they pick moisture, large amount of moisture, and they start entering into India from the southwestern side, that is the Kerala. And as they enter from the southwest side, they are called as southwest monsoon. The Indian peninsula divides the southwest monsoon into two branches, Arabian Sea branch and Bay of Bengal branch. So children, in this video up to here, these two branches we will continue in our next video. Thank you children. Have a nice day.